Come back, guys. So, as I had mentioned, we'll create a quick REST API in this basic project of ours. So, continuing on the same project, I'll just quickly stop the application first. And what I'll do is I'll create one Java class known as Hello Controller. You can name it whatever you want. Basically, we are trying to create a controller, which would be the starting point for the API. Okay. And inside that, since we are creating a REST API, uh, with a REST controller, so so the compiler knows that this is a controller which would basically expect a REST API call. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll also create one function. Uh, we can give it any name. Let's call it, let's return a string and call it hello function. Okay. And I'll do that return. Okay. And what I'm returning was API. Okay. And you can also give the mapping. So basically, uh, the root of our project, we are trying to map it to this function so that we can see if from the root it returns this string and the API gets called. Okay. And obviously you can have another API with some other route, let's say second, is the name, second API. So uh, let's try to, okay, so now let's quickly test these APIs out. Let me run this project again. You can run it from the main file or, here at the top, you can click the run button and it would basically execute the application. And it will run on the same 8080, which is the default port. Okay. Let me, you see with the root uh, uh, call, I get this response, which is what I expected. And if I give a second, I get the second response, which means the API is working. I am not testing the post mapping here because that we can check in future videos. But idea here was just to see if the API calls are working, and we just wanted to see a quick basic get call. Okay, so as you can see, your first Spring Boot API got created. Congratulations. Hope you are doing this with me. Uh, because if you do it on the go, then you learn as you look into the videos, and you can understand more in the future videos, or understand or learn quickly. Okay, so it's always a good idea to do the practice. Whatever I'm doing to demo the concepts, you should try to do it yourself also. Once you look at the video. That's how I used to learn when I'm learning. That's how I learn when I'm learning through video tutorials, and I recommend the same for you guys as well. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Hope you like the video. For the code, link is there in the description. And if you need any help in building large scale software solutions or AI automation solutions, you can get on a quick consultation call. Again, link is there in the description. So until next time, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.